Hello everyone, this is Niveta Joshi and today we have with us Dr. Ritvik Dubey sir. Sir, it's an honor to have you with us. Sir, you have been witnessing Abhyodaya since last many years. So, what difference do you feel from previous Abhyodaya and in this Abhyodaya?
This year's Abhyodaya is outstanding, like previous ones, of course. Reason being the kind of passion that the Hotel Management Department of Amrapali Group of Institutions exude while conducting this kind of event is phenomenal. And having said so, the kind of participation that we are witnessing from many years in the past also and this year too, many colleges from outside this state have come and are participating. I was actually mesmerized by the kind of presentations they did in the Indian cuisine thing, the bartending event, so on and so forth, the case study competition. And I'm really excited to see the winners finally in today's prize distribution ceremony. Reason being the competition was very stiff.
Yes.
And the participants have given their best. Let's see what happens.
Okay. This is really nice, sir. And sir, I would like to know that you are the director of management department. So, what the students of management department can learn from this event?
See, any event requires a lot of manpower and a lot of planning and lot of execution. So, in a sense, whenever an event of this scale is conducted, it is a great learning opportunity for each and everyone involved. Reason being, the principles of management gets applied. You need to plan, you need to allocate the resources, you need to see the timelines, you have to meet the timelines. And this in itself is a learning. Organizing, meeting the deadlines is in itself a learning for any management grad. And events like this, of this scale, actually gives immense opportunity for them to develop their confidence and self-belief.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. And my last question to you is that what are your advices for the students of Amrapali and to the students that have came here for the competition?
See, the thing is, skills are necessary these days. So you must have skills in your given area of study. But apart from that, a person should actually adopt blended learning approach, wherein not only the skills on ground will help you, but in fact, if you can leverage the online courses in order to develop yourself, that would be a huge advantage in the long run, because this kind of a blended learning approach is necessary in today's world in order to outdo the competition that is actually there in the market.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. It was really a nice lesson for all of us. Thank you so much.